draw a super cute and extremely cool robot together. Let's explore each step of drawing so that your robot is not only modern, but also extremely adorable. Start by drawing a rectangle with slightly rounded corners to shape the robot's head. To make the robot look cuter, you can make the head a bit bigger than the body. Draw a smaller rectangle inside the head, divided into two parts to distinguish between the face and the mechanical part of the head. This shape will help you create a clear feeling between the face and the mechanical parts. Add eyes and a cute smiling mouth. Next, draw a rectangle or square with rounded corners to shape the robot's body. You can give the robot body a snug fit, not too big, to increase the cuteness. Add some small details like horizontal lines or small circles to create mechanical parts on the body, making the robot look modern. Draw two robot arms on either side of the body. The arms can be round tubes or squares, depending on your preference. Add details such as joints, screws, or small mechanical parts on the elbows and wrists to make the robot arms look more vivid. You can add some details like a control panel on the robot body, small electrical circuits, or metal details on the body to make the robot more vivid and unique. Draw two robot legs below the body. You can make the robot legs have a round tube shape or create mechanical boots to make the legs look strong and powerful. Similar to the arms, you can add joint details, mechanical parts of the knees or feet to make the robot legs look more vivid. Now let's color your robot. So our cute robot is finished. Have fun drawing, and don't forget to make friends with these cute robots.